Hey guys, welcome back to another garage door video update. So today, here's what we're going to be looking at today. Alright guys, so here's what we're looking at today. This one right here doesn't have an opener, but we move this one over here. Okay, so there's that Stanley right here. Okay, so that's all the garage door openers we got in this room, guys. Now we're on to the LiftMaster in the next one. But first, I want to show you guys of this one closing and the Chamberlain. So guys, the one that you saw laying on the floor there was the one that was broken, so because I had a mechanical problem. So that's it for this clip. Now we're on to the LiftMaster clip. See you there. Here's the LiftMaster belt driven, so here's the second clip. Okay guys, now we're on to the Genie. See you there. Hello guys, here's the second clip. It's going to be the Genie Pro 9.8 1/2 horsepower screw drive. Or yeah, 1/2, so here it is. Okay guys, so that's it for these ones here. Now I'm going to include like I said in the last one, I'm going to put the chain glide in that one next. Alright, so see you there.